Everyone, today's episode features old British coin, 1 penny from 1965, recently added to CoinAz collection. Coin is at extremely fine condition with golden peach luster all around the surfaces. Bronze coin, which was demonetized in 1971 after introduction of small size new penny. Diameter of a coin is 31 millimeters. It weighs 9.4 grams. Obverse side features the first portrait of a young queen, Elizabeth II, with laurel wreaths in her hair tied with ribbon, with the two ends flowing behind. On the reverse, seated Britannia, the female personification of Great Britain, facing right, wearing a crested Corinthian helmet, holding trident on left hand, and resting her right hand on a shield. As I mentioned before, coin is a choice, extremely fine condition with strong luster. Reflectivity of surface is only slightly muted by carbon explosions, and some fading around letterings and beaded circle. Device is sharply impressed, hair motifs display nowhere. Here we have one deep gouge on the right cheek of a queen, and another under the letter A. Also one dot-shaped black carbon speck, catch the eye below the Roman numerals too. Reverse side has a nice appealing for 57-year-old circulated coin. Yet here we witness more abrasions and distracting patinas. The largest stock above 65 of the date. Strike is bold. As these coins are demonetized in UK, they are more or less valuable as compared to pennies of new decimal system. According to NGC price guide, even at extremely fine state, they are worth at least $2. Here's a guiding price list for higher grades of the coin.